So in this video I'm going to give you my honest review of the Kværnø 680 boat. We have two at our fishing camp, Lofoten Havfiske. Yeah, this is a supreme boat for fishing. It's very good at sea, stable, you feel safe. We have also made some adjustment to our boat. We made this one for easy making tackle and also maybe filleting. And we also have safely stored the boxes with fish when we drive in rough sea. As you can see, good fishing space. Also on the back side here, good fishing conditions. And on this one we have a Yamaha 150 horsepower. That's enough on this boat. We have about 35 knots on the maximum. We have also rod holders. We also made this one adjustment here, a hatch to open, and this one also has two Garmin units. Easy to have one for fish finding and one for the map. Yeah, on our boats we also have VOF installed. So as I said, excellent boat for fishing, can handle rough sea, go smoothly both with waves in front and also on the back sides and on the side. So I can give my fullest recommendation for this boat. It's an excellent boat for fishing. And it runs smoothly in the ocean. So there you have it. And this boat is delivered by Kværnø boats in Hitra, Norway. So they know how to build good boats for fishing in Norway. There you have it. Perfect.